If you're using Instagram and are looking to post more than one photo at a time, Carousel posts are just the option for you. My name is Yadullah. You are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can make Carousel posts on Instagram. Uploading Carousel posts to Instagram is actually quite a simple task. Once you've opened the app, tap the center button to create a new post. Now in here, you can tap the select multiple option and then select your posts as you go along. The posts will be added to Instagram in the order of you selecting them, and you can also see their order in the numbering as you tap along. Once you're done selecting your posts, tap the next button. In here, you can apply your individual filters, change any settings that you want for all of the images. Once done, tap next. And now you can add a caption and tap the share button to share your post. Just keep in mind that once you've selected a post or a series of posts, you will be logged into one single aspect ratio, which means some of your posts might not fit, so plan accordingly. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.